Everyone is familiar with having good credit or bad credit. And of course, having good credit is where we want to be. Your credit, usually reflected by a credit score, is an indicator of your credit worthiness, or put another way, your likelihood of repaying debt. Establishing and maintaining good credit will help you to save money, make your financial life that much easier, and ultimately help you to achieve financial success. Generally, it will be easier and cheaper to purchase a home, finance or lease a car, or get access to other forms of loans such as credit cards and lines of credit. Additionally, and more importantly, good credit can be an amazing tool for creating wealth. In order to achieve and maintain good credit, only borrow what you can afford to repay. Try to pay as much of your credit card balance as possible over and beyond the minimum payment, and make all your periodic payments on time.